Merry Plankmas YouTube! This morning I decided to go a little bit easier on you because I made it so challenging yesterday with a minute on each side. I will allow you to do a minute 10-second plank by itself, and we're going to do just the basic elbow plank today. As kind of a rest day in this Plankmas, since yesterday was so challenging, and it was technically 2 minutes. Basic elbow plank, most people know how to do. You come on your hands, and then you go down to your elbows, and we're gonna hold it for a minute and 10 seconds. Make sure when you do these planks, or any plank in general, that you hold your tummy in tight. You wanna hold it in nice and tight, and keep your back as straight as possible. Don't lift your butt up in the air, unless you really need that break. But my hope is that you do not. We're only adding 10 seconds every day to make our core stronger and to help focus on fitness during this time of year, during Plankmas, during the 12 days of Christmas, right before the new year when everybody starts to challenge themselves to lose weight. I would like to challenge you to not get into that boat where you need to lose a ton of weight. So doing something every day that is related to fitness will try to help keep you fitness minded as you go throughout your day so that you don't gain a bunch of weight during the holidays. Speaking of, I have a fantastic video about not gaining weight during the holidays, and I have yapped and yapped so much. Guess what? That was a minute and 10 seconds. So you can come out of that plank. I want you to make sure that you're taking time to stretch and to keep your workouts in. I encourage you, after you do your plank for the day, to make sure you get in a good workout. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of plank.